You guys ready to go out in this weather, little ones? Are you ready? Ready, ready, ready? And 1, 2, 3. Whoa, 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 what was that? Let's go! Yay! Oh boy. Snow keeps on falling down. I made this little pathway for them to do their little business, and it took me like half an hour. Roxy, Suki, what are you doing? Okay, you're not done yet. Go do number 2. You don't like the snowfall very much. Look at it. Check out all the snow. Crazy snow. I love it. And there's Chucky Boy. Hi, Jax. Hi. We still have some Christmas decorations that we have to put away. Christmas tree over there. So here I am. Nothing but snow behind me. You can see all the snow that landed on my fat head. Fun. Crazy. You're waiting to go inside? I don't think your sister's done yet. I think your sister is not done yet. Nope, she's got to take a second little doo-doo. So tiny. Okay, well, I guess it's time for us to go back inside. Right? Yeah? Time to go back inside. Gotta clean up your little poo-poo and then back inside we go. Ready to go inside? You ready to go inside? Are you ready to go inside? Yes. We don't like the outdoors like our Malamutes. No, no, no. We're indoor dogs. We like to be inside. What? Suki is going back for another? Oh boy. Come on, Suki. Let's go back inside. You're done. You did your business. Okay, go. Open the door. Open the door. You can do it. 4-pound munchkin. Ready? 1, 2. Oh, you're so cute. My little one, she likes to spin around and around and around. Ready to go inside? Are you ready to go inside? Are you ready to go inside? Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Let's go inside. Yes. Oh, open the door for me, Mama. Oh, open, open.